What's up, guys? Today I've got maybe a couple things to do. I don't know what I'm going to do just yet. My rear needs just a smidge more camber so that when I air out, I can clear back here and not so much up here, but it's really back here that I can't air out fully. So I'm going to go ahead and shave the, or not shave, I'm going to go ahead and slot the upper arm, and that should give me just enough clearance. Just slotting it so I can push the hub in a little bit more, give me just a little bit more camber. Should also fix any toe issues if I have any, which I doubt that I do, but it sure does help. So I got that. Like I said, need to do the headers. It's been, some time. So I'm gonna start by removing this because I'm not gonna use it anymore, to be honest. I just, I don't care to use it. I haven't even had any liquid in here since I put it all back together, so yeah, I'll be right back with, I'm gonna put this on jack stands and stuff, and then yeah, I'll be right back. I was going to shave the rear upper arm so that I can get just a little bit more camber, so when I air out, it can air out correctly and not on the tire. I figured, I started it and it was just gonna take way too long for like not even that big of a deal. What I am working on now though is cleaning this up. I wanted to go for the OEM plus look or whatever and just keep as much as this OEM as possible, but what's the fun in that? I'm changing the headers out anyway, so like the bay's not going to be as OEM as I want to. So I already took out everything that goes through the hood. It goes down here and it goes out to the washer reservoir. I taped all this back up. Now I don't know what I'm going to do with all this. I figured if I already came this far and cut that out, I think it's safe to say that I'll probably never go back and I can just cut these out too. I'm thinking about cutting them probably around here or so, and then just taping it all off, and yeah, pretty much go from there. So yeah, I'm thinking of just cutting these off. This is for the sensor. I think, if I'm not mistaken, if these two make a contact, that's what tells the thing that it has washer fluid. So I'm gonna try that out, and then if that works, then I'll splice them together, tape them up into or around here or whatever, and then yeah, I mean that should be pretty much it. If I cut this enough here, if I ever want to go back, I should be able to go back by undoing the loom a little bit and then redoing it. Here's all the other stuff for it. So this is all the other stuff that I cut out. This is part of the wiring harness that I cut out. So that's already cut. I may as well just cut this too. So I'm gonna cut it, tape it all up, and then I'll be right back. Might start on the headers today too, so we'll see. Be right back. All right, so I've got all this taped off. Like I said before, I got this, cut it, taped it, whatever. That's where it's supposed to go. And then the level sensor, I did solder the wires together after confirming that if they make contact, it eliminates the dash light. So soldered them together, wired them or taped them up inside the loom, and yeah, that's pretty much that for now. And I think next thing I'm gonna do is start taking this apart, I guess. I took off the AC filter housing thing. I'm just gonna remove all this so I can get the O2 sensors off. And wow, look at that bushing down there. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna get these off and see if I can start removing some of these. Wherever the heck they are, like down here under this shit. But yeah, engine's still a little warm, so I'll put some gloves on and get right back to it. All right, I am taking a quick break. I did get every single bolt out. The header is almost out. I can't seem to get it out. So I gotta go visit my baby in the hospital real quick. Really just take my fiance some food, and then I'll be back and I should hopefully finish it tonight. Doesn't seem too hard. I think the installing part is gonna be a whole lot easier than the ripping everything out part. There's a lot of tricky bolts to get to, but if you put one in, you should be able to get all the bolts easy, then put the other one in, get all the bolts easy. So if I find any tips, tricks and stuff, I'll let you guys know. Be back. All right, so yesterday last night I got the manifolds out. There they are. I was having trouble putting this one in. This is the back one. I realized that I had lowered the engine a bit, so I raised it back up and should be good to go. Once those headers are in, I'll put the motor mount bracket back in. Makes it so much easier to do all of this. If you remove that bracket, you have like all the fucking room in the world to work. Be a good time to change your motor mounts too. I thought I had bought solid, or I thought the car came with like super solid mounts, but after taking it out, they're actually like just a really hard rubber, or poly, like a soft poly. I did buy these poly. These are 85A. Probably not gonna use them. I'm probably gonna return them because these are a lot harder than what the car came with. Just to show you guys, like, this is a rev shift too, or yeah, somewhere on there, rev shift. But yeah, this is a lot softer than that material over there, so I'm gonna keep using those. I'm gonna try and get this in, and I will be back, hopefully. We'll see. All right, here we are. Day 3. Still haven't made any progress. That's not bolted in or anything, so I'm gonna get to bolting that in. And then I should just slide this hoe in. And yeah, I have to use or not use the rear O2 sensors for now. I'll take it to the exhaust shop to get that fixed. My boy Robert can move that bung for me, so that's not a big deal. I'll just run like shit. No problem. But yeah, let me get all this put in, I guess, maybe. Be right back. All right, so headers are in. Fitment is very shitty. I can't use any of the O2 sensors because they just hit the firewall. I'll have my boy at the exhaust shop fix that for me. It didn't have the right bolts. I bought the headers locally. Some dude had them. They didn't come with any hardware, so I used fucking wheel bolts from some Leon Harderits. Them hoes worked great, and yeah, we're good to go. Should should fire up. I already got a check engine light, so I don't really give a fuck. I'm gonna get the car on the ground, and then I will do the first cold start as soon as I'm ready to start it up. So yeah, I'll be right back. Yeah, that's done. That was real fucking loud. I'm gonna throw a muffler on it because that is loud as shit. Yeah, looks like it's good to go. That's it for today's video. Again, thank you guys for watching if you made it this far. I know it's long and annoying, but here we are. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, you know the deal. I'll see you guys next time.